Welcome to second grade. Here are your second grade teachers, Mrs. Enriquez and Mrs. Ranta, Ms. Price, and Mrs. Enos. Parents and guardians, here is some important second grade information that you're going to need for the school year. Drop off and pick up. The school day starts promptly at 7:45 a.m. If you are driving your child to school, please make sure he or she is at school by or before 7:45 a.m. The earliest you may drop off your child is at 7:30 a.m. Children being picked up by parents or guardians will be dismissed at 2:30 p.m. If your child usually takes the bus home and you plan to pick up your child up at school, please send a note to school with your child or call the front office before noon at 12 p.m. Conferences. Parent-teacher conferences are held twice a year. More information will follow. Please feel free to get in touch with your child's teacher anytime you'd like to discuss any questions or any concerns you may have. Laptops. Laptops will remain in the classroom. They will not be taken home unless we are moved to remote learning. Headphones. Please send headphones to school for your child. The headphones will be kept in a plastic bag. Your child will use them when working on their laptops in the classroom. Homework. Homework packets will be sent home each Monday and should be returned by Thursday. The homework packet will include reading and math practices. Students are also expected to read every night for 20 minutes. Homework is an important way to be involved in your child's learning. Class Dojo. Salt River Elementary School will continue to use Class Dojo. Important information, school events, and reminders will be posted to the school story. Students will use their Class Dojo portfolios to complete assignments. Be sure to take a look at how they are doing on their assignments and leave them a comment. Each teacher's class story will have posts about what is happening in their classroom. Field trips. At this time, we will not be going on any field trips. If this changes, we will notify you by sending home a permission slip. Toys. Please do not allow your child to bring toys or personal items to school. We will not be responsible for any lost and/or broken toys or personal items. Birthdays. Boys and girls, I'm sure you've been wondering about this. Birthdays will be celebrated on the last Friday of each month. For example, if your child's birthday is September 10th, we will celebrate everyone's September birthdays on September 24th, the last Friday of September. At that time, your child may bring in a healthy snack to celebrate their birthday with the class. Please make sure that all treats are peanut-free and are on our healthy list of foods. Please see your child's teacher for this list. A final note. Our goals are to provide an environment that is conducive to quality teaching and learning, to provide a space where each child feels valued for his or her unique abilities, to create a classroom community in which each child is an active member. Please don't hesitate to contact us with questions, comments, or concerns regarding your child. You may write us a note, send an email, send a message on Class Dojo, call, or text. If the message is not urgent, email is the most efficient form of contact. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Your support is welcome and appreciated. Let's have an amazing school year. Below you'll find our contact information. Thank you for watching this video. We encourage you to watch all the different school departments to see the great plans for this year. Be sure to watch a video from your child's teacher, but also listen to the videos from Culture, ESS team, Specials department, and our FACE class. Each department has a mystery word for a total of 5 words to create a special message. If you solve the mystery sentence, please contact your child's teacher. SRES has some prizes for families that respond correctly. Prizes are limited. Our mystery word is stars. Remember, if you solve the mystery sentence, notify your child's teacher. Good luck and welcome back.